Okay guys, we're back again with today's Hamster Kombat combo. As always, I know you guys has been expecting me, and I'll try as much as I can not to waste time because, as you guys already know, I always post Hamster Daily Card right here every day immediately it's released by Hamster. Although, I've already dropped this information in my Telegram channel before I even begin to make this video you're watching right now, because it's very easy for me to quickly drop significant information as soon I get it on the Telegram group rather than having to start making video here. Moreover, it's only in this Telegram group that you can get to chat with me personally to ask any questions relating to cryptocurrency or money making in general. Therefore, if you're not in this group, you should hurry to join it right now by using the link that I'll provide in this video's description and also pin in the comment section. With that being said, click on mine. The first card that we are looking for is under Market. So still under this same section here, we are going to look for directives. Scroll down, and this is what we are looking for. Click on that! I told you, you'll be spending according to the level that you're on, so that's our first card. Our second card is under PR and Team. PR and Team, click there, and we are looking for blocking suspicious accounts. Blocking suspicious accounts. And this is the card that we are looking for. Blocking suspicious accounts. Click on it. Click. Go ahead. That's our second card. Our last card is under Legal. It's under Legal here. So click on Legal, and we are looking for License Asia. And this is it, License Asia. Click on that. Click. Go ahead. Give it some time to process. And that will be our third card to claim. Lastly, click to take the prize. This will be today's daily combo cards. Blocking suspicious accounts, directives, and also License Asia. For you guys who are asking for the trick, the most C trick of clicking here 3 times, wait for this countdown to get done for the new word to be brought out. We still have this countdown for it. Okay, I'll be letting you know when the new word comes out, but these are today's daily combo cards. Peace. Peace.